Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation video that I'm doing on the 5 common challenges in affiliate email marketing. And any resources, including a blog post which is congruent with the video, will be in the description. So I strongly recommend that you read that blog post. So let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. 5 common challenges in affiliate email marketing. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation video that I'm doing on the 5 common challenges in affiliate email marketing. And the first challenge we run into is deliverability issues. Deliverability in affiliate email marketing is very important because if the emails don't reach the inbox, you're not going to make any sales and you're not going to get any commissions. One way to ensure that your emails get in their inbox is to ask them to whitelist your email address or add them to your contacts. The next thing is to ask them to reply to your email, because then this will ensure that the spam filters know that you are a friend. If they reply to you, you can give them an incentive to reply to you, and then this will ensure that your emails get in their inbox. The second challenge is compliance and regulation. This is a topic that could go on for a little bit because there are several different things that you need to learn about the compliance and the regulations. The first one is the CAN-SPAM Act. This is where you have a clear and concise place where they can unsubscribe. You also need to make sure that you put on your address, a physical address. Now, if you don't want to give your home address, so to speak, you can use a business address or a P.O. box. The other is the GDPR. Now, this is more for, not so much for the United States, it's for foreign markets. So you want to make sure that you get up to date on all the regulations and be compliant. And you want to maintain transparency. This goes along with building trust. Non-compliance can result in fines or damage to your reputation, so you want to maintain transparency. There are a number of different things that you can do to learn about the rules and regulations. I use a service called Aweber for my autoresponder service. You can always call them. They do have a phone number, and you can ask them about all the rules and regulations that you need to be aware of. You can also do a Google search to look up the rules and regulations for email marketing so that you can stay compliant and keep up to date with the regulations. The next challenge we have is high unsubscribe rates. There are a few things that you can do to avoid high unsubscribe rates. One is by not sending out irrelevant content or sending out too frequent emails, and you want to make sure that you personalize your emails. There are a few other things you can do. You can create segments, optimize your frequency. By doing those things, plus creating a relationship with your email list, you'll help avoid unsubscribe rates. The fourth challenge we have is content relevance and quality. It's very important that you have high quality and relevant content. This will ensure that you get high conversion rates and audience engagement. Poor content usually results in low open rates and high unsubscribe rates. So you want to make sure that you have content that is relevant and it has high quality. A couple steps that you can take is you need to understand your audience. You can do testing like A/B testing to experiment. You can also focus on the value, and you can review your analytics. By doing these things, you'll help ensure that you get quality content and it's relevant. The fifth challenge we have is tracking and measuring success. It's really important to track and measure your success. Otherwise, you won't have successful campaigns. So you want to continuously improve your emails by following certain steps, like you want to look at your key performance indicators, your open rates, your click-through rates, your conversion rates. You also want to use advanced analytics tools. These are usually provided by your autoresponder service. A service that I use is Aweber, and you can see that in your reports. It'll show you your unsubscribe rates, your click-through rates, your conversion rates. So anyway, it's very important that you track and measure your success. So there you have it. Those are 5 common challenges in affiliate email marketing. By avoiding these common challenges and mistakes, you can create an effective strategy for long-term success in affiliate marketing and email marketing. Okay, I'm back, and that was a presentation video that I did on the 5 common challenges in affiliate email marketing. And there is a blog post and resources in the description, and I do strongly recommend that you read that blog post because it is congruent with the video. So anyway, I hope you learned something. Stay safe and have a great day.